Here's how to add your Walmart associate discount online. First, launch open the Walmart app. Make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the option of Wallet. Now scroll down a bit and here find the option of Associate Discount. Go ahead and select that option. The app will now open a secure internal browser. Here you will have to enter your credentials. Start by entering the 16-digit associate discount card number. Then enter your Walmart identification number. If you do not have the Walmart identification number, you can also use social security number. Now tap on save. Once saved, the card locks onto your mobile profile permanently. When you shop on the app, the 10% markdown automatically applies at checkout under your final order summary for all eligible full-priced items shipped directly by Walmart. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.